The defense rests without the defendant, Briana Benson, taking the stand in her own defense. Benson is accused of murder for hitting, dragging, and killing Saint Ursula alum Madie Hart. It happened downtown last March. 9 on your side anchor Evan Millward has been following this case very closely, and he is live downtown with today's details. Evan?
Yeah, Craig and Kristen, I think a lot of people were kind of surprised Benson didn't testify on her own behalf, though it's not like we haven't heard from her in this case. They played yesterday her police interviews from the morning of the incident. This is a case that is riding on intent and video, what that video shows and what it doesn't show. Both sides have their final say tomorrow morning. No matter the angle, whether from a camera on Righteous Room, from a camera down Walnut Street, or from the dashboard camera of a nearby Uber driver, what happens after Madie Hart runs up to Briana Benson's car last March is brutal. We won't show you the rest. Enter the only witness Benson's defense calls to the stand.
Yes, I do.
A local video expert who slowed, zoomed, and timelined the evidence.
The very end of that second backup, it kind of cocks its rear end around towards all the bars, as though it's backing up with the wheels cocked to the right.
That just seconds from impact. But it started as a brawl. Two other girls have beef that spills onto the street, also caught on camera. Benson tells police in this recorded interview she didn't even know Hart until that night, but it was Hart you see in this video running toward Benson's car about 10 minutes after it broke up.
The girl was coming, like she was running towards my car, hit, and then somehow like I was stuck at the light. You're gonna see it all on camera. And she ran up on my car, hit my car on the right side. Like, everything happened on the right side.
Benson's attorneys argue video only shows what happens outside the car. It's one-sided.
She was in the front, and I hit reverse, and she heard it, like, I don't know, she went to the right, and she was just banging, like she was banging on my car, and I saw something black in her hands, and I just panicked.
Police and prosecutors point to that dash camera video again as proof of intent. And then this, Benson's car allegedly blowing through a red light in the next block, leaving Hart behind in the streets. So many different angles of that video. You can imagine Madie Hart's family in court having to relive all those moments. They have spent the last couple of days every time video is shown with their heads down, not watching. It was a quick day in court today. Again, just one witness on the stand. The jury will be in for the long haul tomorrow as closing arguments get underway. If she is convicted, Briana Benson could face the possibility of life in prison. We're live downtown tonight. I'm Evan Millward, 9 on your side.
Evan, thank you.